you parents, welcome back. Are you a mommy and looking forward to traveling with kids? Does the packing, unpacking job with kids horrify the hell out of you? Don't you worry. Today we are gonna discuss few tips and tricks that can help you pack hustle-free while being with kids. You see, 26 January is approaching and it's long weekend time. COVID cases in India has also reduced substantially. People are tired and bored at home. Hence, staycation is the new vacation. So today, mommies, watch this video till the very end and you will surely find some hacks that help. As for us, we are KC, Facebook community of over 30,000 parents, and we do videos on kids products and services. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Now let's dive in and learn some hacks. Crocs, clogs for kiddos and mules for mommies. Footwear is something that actually takes a lot of space and it's annoying carrying so many footwear in a suitcase. Why not switch into something that's multi-purpose? Crocs or clogs, for example, are the best while traveling. 1. There are slip-ons. 2. Kiddos can wear it with or without socks. 3. Being covered at toe, they go well with anything, jeans, trousers or even shorts. Similarly, mules is amazing option for mommies. They are the most comfortable. You get them in many varieties like flats and platforms. You can wear them with anything, shorts, culottes, even a dress. A tan mule is one pair all you need for a staycation. Ditch those big bottles. Are you someone who like to carry your own cosmetics and lotions? Yes, many of us are particular, especially when it's about kids' skin. Ditch those heavy and cumbersome bottles and opt for small containers. Lens container, for example, is the best way to carry face creams and lotions. They are leak-proof and are so small that can fit in a pouch. Similarly, storing 50 ml bottles that come as samples or miniature perfumes are best while going out for a day or two. For dry storage, the weekly pill containers serve the purpose. They are compact and spacious enough to carry products that last long enough for a staycation. Oil wipes. This is a common problem for mothers who are traveling with toddlers. Carrying oils to avoid rashes can be an additional task. Plus, it always have a risk of spilling it here and there and spoiling other stuff. Why not pick oil wipes that are handy and provides a solution to rashes? As such, they are a little difficult to find, but few brands like Sebamed and Nikki's Natural Baby Wipes are doing them. Reversible and convertible. Did you notice that good brands these days have been busy making their products more affordable and useful? There are many brands like Uniqlo who make reversible jackets for kids and adults too. Similarly, brands like Tommy Hilfiger, Paul Smith, etc. are making reversible belts for adults. What I'm trying to say is, opt for products that are reversible and reusable. These products not only are cost effective but also helps you pack less while traveling. I remember having a Gap jacket that is convertible, hence very handy while traveling for my 7-year-old. Same is the case with bags. Carry a bag that is convertible from a shoulder bag to a sling. So only one bag can do the charms and can make you carry different looks in your Instagram diaries. Please, this is not at all a sponsored video. All the products that are mentioned here are merely a work of research and personal experience. Mini backpacks. While traveling with kids, make sure to carry 2-3 bags instead of one big one. You must be thinking, what is the benefit? Well, many bags provides a handiness while carrying. Each member can carry their own luggage. Teens and pre-teens especially like to carry their own stuff. Also, carrying many backpacks provides a leverage of many pockets. That in turn is an added advantage to keep small things organized. These days, vendors have such cute trolleys for kids that are so spacious as well as so handy that even a child is comfortable with it. We will link some of the vendors in the description box just in case you would like to have a look. Use and dump. Folks, while traveling, avoid those things that are heavy and voluminous. For example, carrying ready-made food is necessary with kids, but why carry big Cerelac packs? Opt for small packs as they can be dumped while coming back or when finished. Big packs are difficult to fit in and are difficult to carry too when going out for nearby activities on a staycation. Similarly, toddler food from Gerber or ready-made noodles can be taken in small packs that can be discarded as soon as they are consumed and no need to carry it from one place to another. So dear, that's what our list today. Hope this will help our dear mommies to pack and unpack in a happier and organized way. In case you like the information we provided, please tell us by commenting below. Give us a like and subscribe us for more amazing videos. Upcoming is the video on 5 online coding classes apart from White Hat Junior for kids in India. Happy staycation!